Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about basket hanger for Pitco Part A1105402-C. The basket hanger for Pitco Part A1105402-C is a replacement part for Pitco fryers. It is designed to securely hold the fryer basket in place while the food is being cooked. The hanger is made of stainless steel and features a spring-loaded clip that locks the basket in place. The hanger also has a handle that allows for easy removal of the basket from the fryer. This part is essential for proper operation of your Pitco fryer and should be replaced if it becomes damaged or worn out. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is used to replace a broken or worn out basket hanger on a Pitco fryer. It can help to fix issues such as the basket not staying in place or the basket not hanging properly. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by gathering the necessary tools and materials for the installation. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a drill, a 3/16 drill bit, and the basket hanger for Pitco Part A1105402-C. 2. Locate the mounting holes on the back of your fryer. The mounting holes should be located near the top of the fryer. 3. Using your drill and 3/16 drill bit, carefully drill 2 holes into the back of your fryer at the locations of the mounting holes. 4. Place the basket hanger for Pitco Part A1105402-C onto the back of your fryer so that it is aligned. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.